right, today I'm going to be unboxing my new gas furnace from devil-forge.com. The big exciting thing that I'm doing this project for is because I want to start learning to melting down copper and brass and other metals and making ingots and other really cool things out of the metals and recycling metals in general. I've already got a few things down here that we'll have links to in the bottom that I just got off of Amazon, and that includes my 9-pound or 4-kilogram crucible. This is the max size for this particular furnace, and I'm really hoping it's going to fit this furnace. We'll find out here in a minute. And then this is the first graphite ingot mold. This is the smallest one they have. They do make others. When you're on the Amazon link, there are bigger ones that you can get. I just wanted to start really small and just see how it goes. So this is my first mold that I'll be using. And then I got an infrared laser thermometer. And again, the link is on to Amazon below. This just allows me to check the temperatures in the crucible because you want to look at those different temperatures when you're melting different metals. So again, this thing will be able to melt gold, silver, copper, aluminum, and other metals. But you want to know those temperatures because this thing can get up to 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 1,400 some degrees Celsius. So you want to know kind of roughly what your temperatures are. And again, this is a gas furnace, so you just hook it up to propane. We'll be able to see that attachment here in a minute. So let's get to unboxing. All right, see how this goes. This guy comes all the way from Lithuania, Devil-Forge. I looked all over for a US company, and they're just really the gas furnaces. There are gas forges, but not necessarily furnaces. Plus, then this guy came pretty highly rated with his furnaces. There's a YouTube channel called Big Stack D, I believe it is. Again, we can put that link down below, and he uses and shows off the forges and furnaces that this guy has. And again, he makes a bunch of different sizes. This is the smallest one he makes, so he does make much bigger than this. All right, well, the first thing is we got a bunch of foam in here, so I'll get rid of that. That actually might be a part, I'm not sure. Lots of little pieces. This, I believe, we'll unpackage that in a second, but I think that's the attachment for the propane tank. Gonna be a foam mess. Oh, there we go. I'll set this to the side for a second. There's more stuff in there. We'll start cutting that off here in a second. There's the hose that'll go. We'll unbox that. Some nice instructions. Again, we'll link to the Devil-Forge so you can see this, but that's the instruction sheet. There are some first-time usage things, which I'll cover in the next video. That's, again, the attachment. Wow, all sorts of stuff. All right, box is empty. I'm gonna get rid of this garbage. Let's go through all the little stuff here first. Coating. Oh, so this is the coating to coat the inside. So it's like a ceramic coating that you got to put on the inside of it, which is why I'm assuming he also gave me a little paintbrush. So there is going to be some setup, and I'll do another video on kind of the first time setup and run for that. And this, I think, is the base. So this is the I believe it's ceramic as well. All that garbage, that garbage. Yeah, so this is just like a brick or ceramic, and this sits on the bottom of it, and then your crucible will sit on top. I have no clue what this is, but I'm gonna open it up anyway. And it looks like just some cotton fiber or something. So I'm gonna have to read the manual on doing that. Yeah, that's just like some copper foam lining. So I'll have to check that out. This is my hose that goes from the furnace to the propane tank. You can buy this separately as well, because if you're hooking it up to different sources of gas or whatever, you don't have to buy this. He actually will sell these separately. But I just got the whole kit because I didn't want to have to, I wanted the complete kit and didn't want to have to be piecemealing or doing my own thing. this is going to be the main thermostat in a sense. This is how you kind of control the temperature and the gas going into the furnace. He packages it very, very well. I'll give him that. So again, this thing came all the way from Lithuania. It really, I think from the day I ordered it to the day I got it was about a week. He says on his website, like give him 3 to 5 weeks, but he shipped this like very quickly, and I think it spent most of the time like in Philadelphia, US Customs. But it came really, really fast, and he definitely packaged it really well. So this is gonna go into your furnace on this end. This will be the hose to your propane tank, like a shut off on and off valve. And then this allows you to, this puts more air in or out, and we'll cover that in another video, but this will allow me to kind of control a little bit of the temperatures as I start the furnace burning. And then I believe this is the connection kit to connect to the propane. Yep, so there's my propane connection. Wow, he's even got double forge on the tag, so that's nice. Just some other miscellaneous hose connectors. I won't get all those open today, otherwise I'll lose them. And last but not least, furnace itself. I have been waiting a while for this. I wanted to order this thing at the beginning of the summer, but my summer got really busy. And so now it's kind of become a late summer, fall project. And again, I'm very impressed with how he's packaged this, considering it's coming a long distance. And if you're wondering too, this model is the FB1SB burner. And again, this is the smallest one they make, and then they do make ones that are even more expensive that have a better coating on the inside. So there it is. Some setup left to do. This guy's gonna go in here. Hose gonna connect to my propane tank. I've got to do some lining work. That's the inside of the furnace. And again, I've got to read the instructions, but basically I'm gonna have to take this ceramic coating and coat the inside of this. That's gonna help that take those high temperatures. Here's my first test fitting. This is gonna go in the bottom of here. And then hopefully my 9-pound crucible, look at that, fits just right. His instructions were great on his website on what to get. So that's how that crucible will sit in there. And then once I'm ready, take whatever my source is, copper, aluminum, put that in here, start her up. That's gonna melt down at a really high temperature. Once I have it melted, use my ingot mold to pour it, and away I go. So that's it for this video. The next video I will be going through basically the first time setup and first time melting of some copper and creating my first ingot, and hopefully I don't destroy it. So again, thanks to Devil Forge. So far it looks like a great product and really, really fast shipping. I was very, very impressed with that as well. So yeah, look forward to the next video.